In October 2025, the Solar System witnessed a catastrophic astronomical event as the interstellar object 3I Atlas, the third such visitor ever observed, passed within just 29 million kilometers of Mars. Scientists hoped this perfectly positioned planet would provide definitive answers about 3I Atlas's nature. However, the data returned by spacecraft revealed not a frozen rock, but a violent interaction that destabilized a world long thought to be inert: the electromagnetic catastrophe on Mars. As 3I Atlas approached, Mars convulsed like a body that had been jolted awake. Crucially, this disturbance was not internal but was imposed by an immense external magnetic field. The InSight seismometer registered non-natural tremors, forced quakes, on the surface that coincided perfectly with bursts of electromagnetic interference from 3I Atlas. 3I Atlas carries an immense magnetic sheath, a plasma bubble tens of thousands of kilometers wide, that injected raw energy directly into the Martian crust. This flux caused quakes driven by electromagnetic stress, indicating that Mars was trembling from an external hand pressing down. Furthermore, the powerful electrical currents ripping through the rock forced volcanic vents, long believed to be extinct, to release faint plumes of sulfur dioxide. Plasma physicists compared this violent energy event to the auroras, but one strong enough to shake the ground itself. The surge of charged particles instantly destabilized the planet's upper atmosphere, generating a dust storm that bloomed in hours instead of weeks. A 400-kilometer-high wall of dust erupted along the equator, burying a third of the planet under a red haze in under 6 hours. Mars' weak magnetic field simultaneously spiked into chaos, showing readings typically expected only near pulsars and magnetars. Orbital paralysis and Perseverance's sole image. The magnetic surges and dust haze blinded every orbiting spacecraft, MAVEN, TGO, and MRO, for 6 hours. Sensors were drowned in noise, navigation systems failed, and multiple orbiters were forced into system reboots, leading to the complete loss of human sight on Mars. Amidst this orbital chaos, the Perseverance rover on the surface, partially shielded by the dust and distance, endured. It succeeded in capturing a single photograph through the storm and interference. The evidence of design, artificial geometry on 3I Atlas. Infrared analysis of the image revealed the non-natural structure of 3I Atlas. The surface was not jagged rock. It was described as smooth, too smooth, and gleaming like metal, reflecting light evenly across kilometers. More critically, the reflectivity patterns formed clear, non-random geometry. Straight, unbroken ridges that intersected at precise right angles, forming grids and hexagonal tiling resembling a honeycomb. Scientists concluded that no natural process makes such geometry, marking it as evidence of design, dynamic transformation, and escalating power. 3I Atlas's own dynamics showed evidence of advanced propulsion and energy control. The object's strange glow changed from a faint yellow-red tint to a stable, sharp green sheath of ionized nickel and heavy metals, suggesting these elements were trapped in a controlled plasma envelope. As it neared Mars, the glow shifted back to a brighter, hotter yellow-red, indicating a move into a higher power state. Furthermore, 3I Atlas's speed increased from approximately 60 kilometers per second in July to nearly 72 kilometers per second near Mars, an acceleration of over 10 kilometers per second. For an object weighing billions of tons, this was smooth and deliberate acceleration, inconsistent with natural outgassing. The link to the WOW signal. As 3I Atlas neared Mars, terrestrial radio telescopes registered a bizarre, machine-steady pulse, repeating every 0.003003 seconds, emanating from its direction. Avi Loeb connected this pulse to the famous WOW signal of 1977, long considered the closest proof of alien contact. Backtracking 3I Atlas's trajectory revealed that just 3 days before the WOW signal, August 12, 1977, Atlas was located in the same area of the sky as the signal's origin, within 9 degrees. The calculated power levels also matched. The transmitter implied by the 1977 signal, 0.5 to 2 gigawatts, aligned with the power levels 3I Atlas was burning, 10 gigawatts, near Mars. Global implications. A potential planetary threat. Scientists are divided on 3I Atlas's purpose, describing it as either a distant civilization's advanced probe, an autonomous seed machine, or a sleeper ship or weapon designed to disable entire solar systems. The most pressing concern is that the electromagnetic wave that struck Mars did not dissipate but rippled all the way to detectors on Earth. Experts warned that a stronger pulse could do more than just disrupt sensors. It could interfere with satellites, communications, and even power grids on our planet, meaning what was happening around Mars might not stay at Mars. Despite government silence, leaked memos confirm that defense agencies have begun updating threat protocols and contingency plans in case the disturbance spreads.